Remember this broken table from a while back? Well, I used the parts to make a bunch of segmented rings with the intention of making a bowl. What I did was, I sanded one side of each ring in order to glue them to a waste block because my glue ups of the rings weren't very accurate, so they were pretty uneven. The first few rings, I sanded both sides and glued them up all at once, but the next few rings were larger and they were more difficult to deal with. So I glued them to waste blocks to flatten one side. I simply used a waste block to glue the base so I could mount it to the chuck. So each day I would flatten the outside edge of the bowl and then glue the next ring on. Once I had it all glued up, I roughed the outside of the bowl. It was really nice wood. I have no idea what kind of wood it is, but it's pretty hard. Then I started roughing the inside. I was getting so much chatter on the rim of the bowl, it was difficult to deal with. It ended up being about 3/8 inches thick. And then I sanded it up to 600 grit. I cut it off with the saw and then sanded the bottom and finished it with wipe on poly. I think it turned out pretty nice.